have Christmas crafty goodness everywhere, including the cat taking over my space. So in the craft room, I have these two little canvases I made with the kids about 2016, maybe 2017. I made this one myself as part of I did a swap and then I made this one for myself. My advent calendar, obviously. And then I've got this little piece up here I did with a tutorial, probably also about 2017. So I've added those, I've just kind of propped them up on other pieces. I have a wreath over here waiting to be decorated with these cute fake flowers I got at Bunnings. And then as we come out into the main area, I have these banners I've made. So obviously there's 4 there for the 4 children. And then coming along here, there's crafty goodness everywhere, including the dinosaur while we mow the lawn. So I made this wreath last year at church for our women's event. Made these with the kids in 2018. It was our first Christmas with the farm, so the sticks are actually from our property. The infamous gnomes finally finished and framed. I probably should have got anti-glare glass. I didn't factor in how many windows we have. In this little hallway here, I have a shashiko that I finished last year over there in the schoolroom. I'll come into it at the minute. I've also hung up these cross stitches that I finished in 2020. I started in 2019. I was stitching, I think it was a Christmas tree during the bushfires. That was my distraction. Down here, I've got the kids' advent calendar video from yesterday. Obviously, my craft trolley full there, ready for goodness. And of course, on the Christmas tree, there's plenty of handmade as well. Not handmade, but I did buy these at Typo 2 years ago and sent a couple to a couple of my sewing friends. What else have we got here? Salt dough ornaments, and there's little, can't really see it on the video, but there's little fingerprints in there. There's lots of crafty goodness in here, but also the schoolroom can't miss out. So let's go and have a look in the schoolroom. So I have this little paper cut that I made a couple of years back, maybe 2021. I'll just straighten it up. So I got that from Leah Griffiths as a paper cut it on my Cricut, hung it on a stick. And so then on the bookshelf, we have stockings. I think I made these in like 2014, 2015 maybe. Nice big chunky bit of wood that I screwed these hooks on. And so this was leftover curtain fabric, a bit of organza and tulle, and some vintage ribbon. There is only 3, and I know I do have 4 children. However, the last stocking that's missing is somewhere in our shipping container because it didn't get put away on time when I packed up last year, and we found it later, and so it got put in the container loose, and so I need to go container diving and find that one there. The Rachy Craft Museum is all in place, and I'm busy working away on options to add for this year. So all on the trolley there, waiting for my attention. And then the final piece of the puzzle is the table decorations. So the table runner I made a few years back. I bought that one. I knitted these last year. They're a little bit cute. I knitted those with the Imagined Landscape knit along. Oh, my little crystal angel was missing. The cute little star decorations, my mum actually made at a pottery class, so she's got one for each of the kids plus a couple of hearts, and that completes the effect for the full Rachy Craft Museum. I hope you've enjoyed this little tour of my handmade decorations, and I can't wait to add some more goodies this year. And I will be back tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 7, Day 8, with a quick roundup of all the crafty goodness I've been up to this week. I'll see you then.